Okay, this is testing of the app. Today is February 2nd, 2020. These are Apple. These have iOS version 1.3.6. These are Androids. They have version 1.8. I just checked all the phones, Apple and Android, for the latest system software update. So I'm going to go in here as dining customer in the first row, waiter, dining customer, wake up, dining customer, waiter. And so the first thing I want to point out is the listing of restaurants is not sorted by distance. Should be the closest one at the top, the next closest, the next closest from top to bottom. And also, if you've noticed here that some of the Androids come up with a different listing. This is Android and this is Android. But the Android on the right starts off with Super Grill Anise, Maruzio, Cecilia Bocca, Odeum, My Pizza, Betty's Bistro. The one on the left starts off with Maruzio's first, Super Grill Anise, Odeum, Cecilia Bocca, My Pizza, Betty's Bistro. Maruzio's is 0.66, Super Grill Anise, but now watch, if I hit refresh, eventually, it seems to take a lot longer for Android to populate to begin with and to refresh. But now you can see it did refresh in the same sequence. Actually, it's not the same sequence, just a little bit out. Anyway, they should be listed like Super Algonese is 0.21 miles away, Maruzio is 0.61, Odeum 0.63, 0.69, that's correct. My Pizza at 0.58. 0.58 should be way up here. Whoop. Okay, that's where the customer selected the restaurant where there are no waiters, so that was correct action of the app. So I'd like the restaurants to be listed in sequence from distance, closest to farthest. Okay, that's one. Apple customers, let's say, so this is waiter. We're going to select Super Algonese, tables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super Algonese, 1, 2, well, whoa, it actually let me select one. That's weird. Unselect all. Now, oh, I see. Anyway, so Apple there, Super Algonese here. Those are taken, great. Reflects on the other devices. So, customers, waiters, customer, waiters. So, an Android customer can go into Super Algonese, whether it's occupied by a waiter that is an Apple, and the listing comes across.
Hello, a customer is requesting your service.
And they can also select a restaurant that is occupied by an Android, like table 11, and send a request. And it goes across, and they're notified.
Hello,
That's great. But now a Apple customer at Super Algonese that selects any table, 5, continue, tables taken. Any Apple customer cannot select any table. It is taken even though it is not taken. So now let's try to have the Apple customer select a table that's occupied by an Android. Let's say 13 and 14. Nope, already taken. Maybe this guy will allow 14. Nope, already taken. So Apple customers cannot select a table to send requests for notifications of service to. On the Androids, if the customer, or if on Apple, if a waiter wants to change location, they can. They can select a different restaurant. Now here I just selected Cecilia Bocca. There is no Cecilia Bocca. Oh, there it is, way down there. Okay, that's fine. All right. So Apple waiter can change locations. On Android, change location, results in crash. So it didn't this time. Let's go My Pizza. That's when it crashes. Pick Odium. Crashed. Server please has stopped. Open the app again. No. So let's see what's running. Server please is still running, even though it closed. Close it. What's running or latest opened. So those are the three big bugs. The listing out of sequence by distance. Apple customer cannot select a table. That means any customers with an Apple phone, they can't use this app at all. Android change location equals crash. Those three things. Thanks so much.